Ni mabura ma gukungwira kurikiriria mathomo ma borithi kuri maabitha 2,500 maeri aruhonge rwa GSU 209 ao maria iritu maria mahanikiire thukuru-ini wa borithi wa Embakasi guku Nairobi. Hĩndĩ ya mabura maya mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta niacakaire wongerereku wa Ikuu hari maabitha borithi uria ugiritanitio na guthinika meciria.
Ni vizuri kuongelesha hawa vijana. Shida za dunia ni mingi, but we can address it and we are ready to work together with you. Please just step forward. There is no shame. There is no shame in it.
President nioire mweke uyu na guikia ritana kuri maabitha borithi gwetha uteithio kuma kuri honge iria ciagiriire riria magomerwo ni thina uyu wa meciria guku akiuria ministry ya ugiteri wa thiini gwikirira undu uyu.
Ukiona uko na shida, iwe ni shida ya kinyumbani, iwe ni shida ya kikazi, tafuta ofisa mkubwa wako, tafuta family member wako, muongee naye, na unaweza kuona kwa kuongea peke yake umepata suluhisho ya shida yako.
Ningi president ni agathiriirie ruhonge rwa borithi na maabitha aya eru akimoria mahemberie kugitira muingi mbere ya maundu mangi o mothe.
To serve successfully, you must uphold the law, abide by all applicable rules and regulations, follow the orders of your superior officers, and above all, commit to serving the nation with courage, integrity, discipline, and honor.
The hallmark of a stable and progressing society is a guaranteed, stable, and reliable security system internally.
Shigi ugiteri wa mihaka ya bururi wa Kenya, President Kenyatta nioririe maabitha ya ugiteri gukorwo mari sheba kuna kuri na mabururi ma gitaro kia Afrika irathiro magumeirwo ni uhaguku wa ugiteri. Hamwe na ugo President Kenyatta ni aheanire kiraniro kia ati thirikari ni kurumbuia mabata ma maabitha ya borithi niguo kumahotithia kuruta wira wao na uhuthu.
Similarly, we have done a lot in improving the state of police accommodation, including the introduction of rental house allowance. These and other welfare benefits initiatives have ensured that the nation of Kenya is taking better care of those who take care of us.
An improved health insurance scheme is now in place, and we recently broke the ground for the National Police Service Level 4 Referral Hospital.
Gukinyanira kwa maabitha ya gukite thiku nini thutha urekererio wa mathomo hari maabitha angi 2,610 ruhonge-ini rwa wathani wa matura kana AP. Maabitha 2,500 maeri makiongerereka itari-ini ria maabitha ruhonge rwa GSU. Riu mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ni ahoete maabitha borithi gukoragwo makihimberia waraniria niguo gwithemana na wongerereku wa ikuũ iria ciumanaga na maabitha borithi gukorwo magithinika meciria. Handũ-inĩ ha Kabete TV ritwa rĩakwa ni Bataru wa Mwangi.